What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at these ski goggles. Now these are designed for kids, so we're going to open them up, show you guys what you get. Get a little manual inside the box. Goggles come in this nice carrying case. Now some people have told me that these actually work for kids, teens, and adults. We'll take a look and see. But they are designed, at least according to the listing and the brand, they are designed for actual kids. So this is what they look like. And what's really cool, let's see. Yes, so the lens pop out. So if you guys ever want any other color lenses and so forth, you can go get them and they just pop right in. So it's magnetic. It's pretty awesome. Now, just to demonstrate, this is how it looks. I mean, it does fit an adult. So if you wanted to, it could fit. It's a little smaller, like you could feel, but it actually would work for a teen, kid, or adult. So you just adjust the strap on the back to make it tighter. But that's how it looks, guys. And it is fully padded, and you can see how thick that padding is. Like that's really thick. So you got full padding on the sides, breathability right through in here. So this is all, you can breathe through that. You know, it's got the slots on the inside. The straps are nice. Overall, very high quality goggles. And if you want to protect your kids, this is it. And look cool too.